Okay guys, now you guys are going to be mad at us because we did not show us painting the front bumper and rear bumper on this car. This is another Mystic. Chris's car's been getting us a lot of Mystics. I think we got 2 more lined up to come into the shop. Anyway, we got Daniel's car here, Mystic. We painted the front bumper, and then we did a full paint correction on it. All the windows are coated. We repainted the bullet mags. We painted the brake calipers just like Chris is in there. Car was really filthy and full of scratches like crazy. I mean, this looks like a totally different car. I really wish I would have showed you guys before and after, but like I said, we really didn't have time. Here's the roof. There's still imperfections, and there is still rock chips and stuff. This hood had been repainted before. The fender's been repainted. That quarter panel's been repainted. You can kind of see the haze difference. But overall, this car is great, and it looks really nice outside now. Repainted the spoiler. It was all weathered. You guys saw what it looked like in the other videos, but we just didn't show us sanding it and actually painting it. But this car's getting ready to leave. Daniel's coming all the way from Nelson County, which is I think he lives in Elizabethtown, Kentucky, or right near there. So some of you guys might have heard that. We got a couple subscribers actually from there. But repainted the bumper and everything's coated, looking mint. Look at that gold right there in the sunlight. So this thing's awesome. I went ahead and buffed his taillights out, coated his taillights. So we coated everything: trim, brake calipers, wheels. Painted them. The deep dish were kind of like a silver color like this, and the front were charcoal because they're stock Ford. That's why the center cap doesn't fit, but he wanted deep dish. He bought it like that, so we painted it and used YN silvered, same as like 98 and 03 Cobra. So this thing's looking nice. I'm sure he's very excited to get it back. Just a quick walk around, and then we got already getting dust on it, so I'm gonna have to wipe it off real quick because he should be pulling up here soon. Definitely turned out good. I mean, it is definitely, I'd say the paint's a 7 out of 10 now, and it was probably a 2 or 3 out of 10. I mean, they're still checkered in the, you all can see this, that's clear coat failing. I don't know why people would repaint these Mystics and not put a high quality clear coat on there. The clear coat that I put on the front and rear bumper is that Diamond, same as Chris Ladd's car. It's a 20-year warranty. So, and it's coated, so he won't have any fading on the plastic. So, looks great. So if you guys want a paint correction, and we have a 5-year coating and a 8-year coating. So if you guys are interested, you can send me pictures of your car. I can't give prices without seeing your old's car, but pricing does start at $600 on these paint corrections. So there's the purple right there in the sun. Not sure if he's gonna get Cobra lettering or not. I'm sure he will. And to some of you guys that say that you can't panel paint this, everything matches perfect. So what do you think, Alan?
I think it's awesome. It looks great.
From what it was, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh
From
yeah.
what it was. Alright guys, so we got a new addition to the TKO Resto. We have Jay's Foxbody convertible. What year is it?
I don't know.
87?
Let me look.
Oh, 487.
So it's an 87. So it's an 87 convertible, 48,000 miles, right, Brent?
Yep.
And this thing is mint. It just needs a buff and paint correction, ceramic coating, and this thing would be just totally awesome. So anyway, he's semi-local. He's about 35 miles away from us, down in Louisville, or in Kentucky. And I'm using my cell phone right now because our camera broke, and we had to order a new one. So Jay already had all his parts. Looks like he's had them for a while. So he gave us all the parts: condenser, aluminum drive shaft, radiator, water pump, rear end gears, all that kind of stuff. He even gave us some distilled water. So we labeled everything because we have so many parts, and we don't want to get people's parts mixed up. So we got new radiator, all the hoses, I guess the SVE from LMR, the whole kit, water pump, all this stuff's from LMR, I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
So LMR really needs to give us a sponsor because all our customers use it and we shout them out every day. Come on, LMR, what are you doing? Come on, Tyler. He needs a message us back.
Yeah.
So anyway, Alan today got the reef blue all welded up and halfway grinded down. So by the end of the week, we will be mudding this and getting it ready for primer and then prepping it for paint. I already got the hood cut in, all the accessories in the front done. Yeah, so that's moving right along. We got Tim's up here, new gas tank from LMR right here, looking mint. Cleaned all the lines. Brent did a very good job of cleaning that. New seals, all that kind of stuff. Painted the straps for you, Tim, because they were all rusted. We really could not do that. Cleaned the neck, painted the brackets. I mean, Tim, we did you solid. All underneath here is beautiful. Okay, so anyway, all right, again, so I'm on my iPhone and just got a call from Ryan, so you kind of messed me up, Ryan. So anyway, Tim, we got underneath here painted deep jewel green metallic. It's looking fresh. We did all your lines. I know Tim ordered some parts from LMR and they'll be here tomorrow. New brake lines. We saved his gas lines. Then we can fit the tank up and be ready to put the freshly rebuilt rear end in. So yeah, we're gonna do all that. Got all the nubs off. Repainted them because they were nasty. We scrubbed and scrubbed, but these just will not come back to black, so we might just take them back off and spray paint them so it looks nice. So anyway, again, I apologize, the camera broke and I'm doing it on my iPhone X, which is no big deal, but it's better than not getting any video at all. So these edits are going to be probably kind of rough. Just kind of showing off John's 96 mint 48,000 mile Cobra exports. It's got IRS exhaust with a solid though. So anyway, yeah, so we got some more cars that came in that we'll show you guys in the next coming videos. So we're unloading the car now. God, I love that car. It looks good.
Looks cool.
Dude, if it had a red top and red interior, oh my God.
Yeah.
I still love it though. Still looks very good. What do you think, John?
It's hot.
Turn around. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Which is your favorite car here? Besides yours?
Tough one. Probably the New Edge.
The New Edge?
Yeah.
The air rat?
Yeah.
Or actuator? Oh. What's in those? The tire shine on those. Those tires, guys, are from 2001. They're are they Michelin? They're Michelin. 2000 or no, not 2001. 2000. Yeah, the 22nd week of 2000. So, damn, that's old. That's before September 11th. That's crazy. Dude, a full buff, paint correction, and ceramic coat, this car would be hot. It's dusty as hell right now, too.
Said he hadn't drove the car in at least 2 years.